I am currently in Yako International on my way to Europe in the middle of a global pandemic. Crazy. Let's go. Ready for them?
Ready like Freddy.
We just came to, was that immigration, customs, something like that. Just waiting to board the plane to Guyana now. And yeah, 2 days journey ahead of us to Cyprus. Looking forward to it. Yeah, check back in soon. Alright, so we finally make it on the plane. This is the first leg of 4. Maybe an SC. So it's going to be a long 2 days. Headed to Ghana. And you have 12 hours layover. Sorry, too much, but so good. Well, touchdown in Ghana airport finally. This layover going to be about 12 hours long. Not really looking forward to it. Everybody getting something to eat right now. So, I have a little story time. I went to check my bag in Guyana airport. Right? See, I was overweight. I went to check the next counter. You see, I wasn't overweight. Is that one? Is that one? Anyway, I saved 100 US, which is good. I see, they do your dirty, boy. They do your real dirty. They do your real dirty. But I smoking. Yeah, so we're still in Guyana. We're still waiting to get to New York, and then we have another layover for 12 hours. Next 12 hours, but so let us go. Still grateful for the opportunity. We're still here, still living. Nothing to complain about. Want to get some Burger King. And I'll check back in later for sure. Finally boarded the plane to the plane. Get her to go now. It's a long day.
Turn it on the side like that.
I think it's about 6:15 a.m. I am very tired, and this is only half of the journey. We have a next 12-hour layover, and then from there we go to London. We're going to London. Going to London, Yeah, sorry, London accent, terrible. But we're going to London and then we're going to Limassol Cyprus to meet up with the Sky Princess. Yeah, I'm excited for that for sure. Yes, I'll probably check back in after I do customs, probably get a bite to eat. Might change my clothes, I don't know. Kind of like the fit today. Fit is kind of clean, not gonna lie, but might change. Yeah. You seen?
I'm good. You good?
You good?
You ready?
Once you ready, I ready, you know.
You ready to blaze up them drums?
But of course.
And mash it up?
Of course.
All right. I get
Okay. Checking for sound 1, 2, 3. Okay, so people, we are currently in New York. I just got up from a nap. I'm gonna lie, this vlogging thing is a different level of commitment, but you're gonna teach me a next level of discipline. So far, like in New York, you know, a lot of rude people. You must have that. Take a little, what's it called that? A Johnny boy? No. When you take a quick bath. Something boy. Cowboy. Yeah, take a cowboy. Really, yeah? Because, you know, I don't wash the man pegs, make sure the man pegs in a gear. Can't be walking past people smelling bad, you know? So, we heading to London in like about 3 hours. It's gonna be like a 9-hour flight. Looking forward to that. 2 days of traveling, guys, that's a lot, you know? It looks like fun, but it's not always fun. You say, no, in some small seats, it's not that great, but always be grateful, you know, always be thankful, especially in a global pandemic. To be having this opportunity is kind of crazy, so a lot to be grateful for, a lot to look forward to. Check back in again later. To go to London. Super excited. I'm tired. Let's go. Casio, welcome to the vlog, brother. So, we finally made it onto the plane to head to London. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I think it's going to be like about a 9-hour flight. Shouldn't be too bad. Doesn't look like it's a full house too, so I should have some room to relax. Much needed. So, yeah. 2 days of flying, guys. 2 days of flying. Almost there though. Okay, this guy here, stay away from this. Casio, where are we? We're in London. We're in London. Guys, we are in London. We made it a day and a half later. The entire band is very tired, but we're still here. We're still fighting through. Almost to Cyprus. Have a short leg again, one more flight. And then we'll be on the ship. Let's go. So, I am in the Harry Potter shop. Like, if you know me, this is literally heaven, man. What? Crazy. Alright, 2 days later, finally about to board the plane to Cyprus. It's been a journey, like 2 days of flying. That's the most amount of flying I've ever done. Can't wait to get on the ship, get some sleep. I am very tired. Yeah, it's been an experience. Yeah, it's that time. Cyprus to the end of the journey. I see Barry in the back there, a trooper. Stayed positive the whole time. Me, I was negative for sure. Not I'm just joking. Just really tired. I really need to get on a bed for sure. So check in soon.
Okay. Shaquille Noel like.
Yeah, then I like to sleep in.
Right.
You see what the man do here?
Oh, when I'm sleeping?
Yes.
Yeah, I saw it.
Cyprus. This is beautiful. This is really nice. Imagine it's almost 8 p.m. Almost 8 p.m. and the sun is out. Well, sun's setting, but you know.
Yeah, turn out.
Yeah, man.
Finally made it to Cyprus.
Why are you filming me? Filming you? You're filming me? I'm filming you. Yeah, this is nice. Really nice. Everybody here taking out all the bags. Nice. The journey, boys. So I made it to the Sky Princess. I am excited. About to enter my room. Take you all with me. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay. A little greasy, but you know, it's okay. Travel 2 days. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. This is nice. This is nice. So grateful, guys. 2 days of traveling.
Okay. Yeah, we could get some good sleep with this. So a TV right here. I'm gonna plug in the HDMI right there. Oh, lovely. They left some dinner for us. Bottles of water. Yo. And this is the main attraction right here, the balcony. Yo. Yo. Yeah, I'll definitely check back in the morning with this view. For sure. Wow. Okay, and that's it. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. I have a little more to say. I'll probably come back tomorrow to finish the vlog off. For now, I'm gonna get some rest. I'm really tired. Really tired. Really tired. I had a long day. We did a lot today and yesterday, so just looking forward to getting a little bit of rest. So I'll catch you guys.